before joining 10x Academy, I was looking job in my own stream, like in civil engineering, but I was not getting any good job which can make me happy. My name is Arvaz Khan. I am from Uttar Pradesh, sir. I graduated from Arvaz Institute of Technology, which is in Uttar Pradesh, sir. I am 2019 pass out in civil stream, sir. Before joining 10x Academy, I was looking job in my own stream, like in civil engineering, but I was not getting any good job which can make me happy. Sir, I was looking to work on IT, like on my programming skills. One of my friend completed bootcamp from 10x Academy, and he told me that if you are looking to work on your skill, like programming skill and coding skill, then you can join 10x Academy. Sir, first of all, I was not very good in communication. My English was not so much good. First thing is that they helped me a lot in communication because they were providing one-on-one session. I was telling them like I'm struggling here, I'm stuck here. So they were telling me you can do that. Also, they were personally helping me. Like I was calling them and they were answering. According to me, the best part of the bootcamp is one-on-one session, because in one-on-one session it was like a interview. In one-on-one session, like I was coding virtually. They were seeing what I'm writing. If I was stuck, they were helping me. They were looking on my code, what I am writing, and in what way I am writing. So they were helping me. They were teaching me like how can I reduce the lines of my code. How can I write most effective code. So it was the best part of bootcamp, sir. Sir, as you know, the best one was the one-on-one session, but as well as mock interviews on every weekend, and also in bootcamp they were providing whole the day mentorship. They were teaching less, but we were working on practically more, and also they were providing mock interviews on every weekend, and they were giving sufficient problems to solve. Okay, sir, everything was very good and very professional, because when I joined the bootcamp, I was I didn't know anything. I just came and I joined and I started to learn. The members and the mentors from the bootcamp, they were helping on the every stage, like where I was stuck. They were telling me like you need to do that. When the phase of the placement came, the placement team was working very good. They were providing interviews daily, and they were telling me how to prepare for the interviews and how can I crack the interviews. My experience was very good because before this bootcamp I was working in civil engineering, and also the package was not so good. So I came here and I learned a lot, and now I am working with Solera Inc.